I'll bring you your new key.
Oh, you will? Thank you. Okay, good. All right. Is that bag heavy?
No, it's okay.
Well, put it on your back for 2 days. It was very heavy.
Really?
Yeah.
You'll see.
We'll find out.
Yeah, you will find out.
Very good. Okay. I get two pillows. Somebody DM'd me and said that that was very petty about what I said about the pillows. I mean, listen, if we get rid of petty, we don't have a vlog. So. But this is the day they wanted me to change rooms. That was very involved. New central command. Looks a lot like the other one, but there's less. So I'm not as unpacked as I was before. That's fine. That's fine. But yeah, nice room. Full ocean view. This is nice. This is nice. Here's my script. I have post-noted in every chapter. All right. So if I go to ferry to Ski Athens, that is the day after tomorrow. What's that mean? I have one more day on this island. You ready? Let's go. Because I ran out of gas that one time, always paranoid. This thing's flashing, I don't know what it means. So 21. No, I want to get a water though.
Thank you.
Very good, thank you. It's better. No, I'm intentionally going to this beach because I want to film something. I want to make a correction of a previous video. Oh, sunblock, water. None of the videos are blockbusters. However, I have one that's done pretty well, and everything I say in it is just not true. It's the Capital One credit card. We're gonna return to where the original video was made. I have to clarify and correct. Anyone who knows or remembers, there's a cut through right here. Okay, what's wrong with this? Let me tell you a story. I laid here and was pounding on my chest as far as how much I knew, right? But I laid here talking about, oh boy, I talked about my Capital One Venture credit card. So I had a client in recently and she said, and number one, I have already plotted, planned, and paid for my trip. So my client says, Tony, what is Venture X? So while she was sitting there, I decided to look it up. And what I learned, the winter before COVID, the decision was made to hierarchy, tier me out me out of my card. Yeah, I get 2 times the points now. That's it. Everything I just mentioned is hierarchied up on their new travel card. But anyway, I'm now part of Venture X. Everything I said in that other video is a lie. It's a fallacy. And how does this work? What does stay the same, as I said before, is you cannot carry a balance. This is a 28 or 92% interest card, and then you are being a jerk if you think that your perk is going to work. No, you cannot carry a balance. I deliberately came here, walked all the way over here, sat down in this spot just to film what I just did. I'm leaving now. I just had to correct that. Ready to go underwater. stop and just lie down. So I'm getting sun, but I'm not stopping. Yeah, and there is a difference. Moving around the sun is different. Rotisserie grill. We're gonna do a last night drone flight, final night drone flight. The dilemma is I need to jump in the water. Well, I don't want to be cold. I'm done being cold for the day.